Dior Saddle Flat Belt Pouch. We have talked about the Dior belt bag for some time, but every time we finish writing about one bag, another one will pop out shortly. Check out the new Dior Saddle Flat Belt Pouch. We think the little twist is worth your attention. So the Saddle Flat Belt Bag is just like another waist bag. However, take a good look what comes with this bag. The design of the saddle belt bag is the same like the original version, which is why I love it. The body is also crafted in ultra matte, which means that the entire bag including the hardware is designed with the same color. Then I love how it's attached to the belt in black shade. The belt is linked with the CD Dior logo. This bag is just amazing. Of course, you can detach the belt and use the saddle belt pouch in another belt. But given that the belt is so gorgeous, who wants to do that? This pouch can either be carried around the waist or in the hand. It comes with one large inner compartment and one flat pocket. It's made from calfskin.